everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate Eastwest credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your Eastwest credit card online, first open up a web browser. In the URL box appearing at the top, type in www.eastwestbanker.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Eastwest Bank, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the online banking button, and in the pop-up select either personal or corporate and give it a click. Now you'll end up in this page where you can see the login area. You can easily type in your username followed by your password in order to log into your account. But if you don't have an account, you can click on Sign Me Up link at the bottom. Now on the next page, go through the terms and conditions of Eastwest Online Banking and click on I have read and agree with the EW Electronic Banking Service Terms and Conditions box over here at the bottom and click Continue. It'll ask you if you have a debit or prepaid card. Go ahead and select yes, and now enter your credit card number in the text box appearing on the next page. Type in your PIN code available at the back of your card and click confirm. Once you do that, you'll need to verify your identity on the next page. Go through the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to activate your Eastwest credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.